Intermittent fasting, a billion-dollar trend that Islam taught first. Hook, show them that what Americans now pay for, Muslims already had for free. 1,400 years ago. What if I told you that one of the biggest health trends in the US today, a multi-billion-dollar industry promoted by fitness coaches and Hollywood actors, was actually taught 1,400 years ago by a man who never sold a diet plan? That man was Prophet Muhammad. And that trend? Intermittent fasting. From Silicon Valley to New York gyms, everyone's doing intermittent fasting. 16:8 OMAD. Water fasts, dry fasts. But for Muslims, fasting was never about trends. It was a spiritual lifestyle built into the core of Islam. 1. What is intermittent fasting? Doctors say, eat for 8 hours, fast for 16. It burns fat, boosts metabolism, improves focus. But Muslims say, fast from dawn to sunset, with no food, no water, no complaining. Science is finally proving what the Qur'an encouraged. Fasting is good for you. If only you knew. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:184. It's not just good, it's transformational. 2. Fasting. Islam versus modern trend. Modern fasting is about the body. Islamic fasting is about body plus soul. Today's influencers skip breakfast to lose weight. But the Prophet skipped food to increase taqwa, gratitude, and empathy. It's not about looking good. It's about being good. 3. Fasting builds mental power. Fasting teaches self-control, no caffeine, no snacks, no anger. Prophet Muhammad said, if someone insults you while fasting, say, I am fasting. Bukhari. That's not just discipline, that's spiritual intelligence. Modern science says fasting sharpens the brain. Islam says it softens the heart too. 4. Sunnah fast equals secret to consistency. While today's trends come and go, the Prophet fasted regularly. Mondays and Thursdays. The white days, 13th, 14th, and 15th of every lunar month. 6 days of Shawwal after Ramadan. Day of Arafah, Ashura. He didn't do it for weight loss. He did it for closeness to Allah. And that's what made it sustainable. Americans are just now discovering the benefits of fasting. Muslims were gifted this miracle over a millennium ago. So next time you hear intermittent fasting, just smile and say, Islam did it first, winking face. Raitero subscribe to Echoes of Islam, where ancient truth meets modern life.